guys, it's Nevaeh
Angelina
and Haley.
Angelina.
So today we're gonna be doing slime pet peeves.
I'm just gonna let my cousin.
We'll be right back because I gotta go get my other slime. So bye bye. We'll be back. We're back. Yeah. Should we do it on my slime because it's bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let me finish one.
But then also
let me get
we're
a
also
little
gonna do my slime.
Oh, I know. Fair.
And
A
also,
little bit.
yeah.
Let me just
So
get
pause. One finger poking.
Then the one that doesn't even know how to poke the slime. One that's rough with slime.
Yay! A big piece.
When they act like their slime is big.
Bum, 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 bum. The non-butter slime.
When you try to make butter slime, but it doesn't work out.
Well, bye guys. That's the end for our video. Taco! It's a taco! Well, that's the end of our video for today's.
Bye. Say bye.
Look, it's a taco.
Here's our faces.
Bye!
Here's our faces, everyone. Say bye.
I got a taco.
That's Haley. That's Angelina.
What's
And
Taco
here
slime.
is me.
Taco slime.
Bye, everyone. On three.
Bye.
Everyone in the bathroom.
Bye,
everyone.